Good morning, Ms. Visor. Ma'am, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
On September 15, 2024, officers were dispatched to 303 Memorial City Way in Harris County, Texas for shoplifting. Officers made contact with the complaining witness. The complaining witness, a Sephora loss prevention manager, stated that the defendant was observed entering the store with a big Target shopping bag, along with another female and two males. They were observed concealing merchandise and exiting the store past all points of sale without purchase. The complaining witness stated he went after and apprehended the defendant in the parking lot. The complainant was then instructed the defendant to return to the store, but the defendant refused, dropping the concealed merchandise and took off running. The complainant alerted mall security, who tracked the defendant and placed her in handcuffs, returning her to the store. The officer made contact with the defendant. The defendant stated she was a single mother and that she shoplifted from Sephora due to her situation. The total amount was $1,939.
$1,900.
Yes.
Let's go through this, shall we? 2013 theft, 2014 failure to identify, 2015 theft, another theft, 2017 theft, 1, 2, 3 suspended license cases, all in 19. Now, in 19, another theft. 22 robbery, 22 tampering with a government record, 22 false statement to obtain credit. And now another theft. Not a felony, guys. This is number 6. Apparently, we've not been getting the message across to you, Ms. Fleischer. As far as I see, this should, at the very minimum, because you already have one state jail felony conviction that you obtained in 22. So now this makes this a 2 to 10 third-degree felony. That happened on the robbery case. Can we now make this a second-degree felony? You're looking at 2 to 20. Yep. You, by picking up a case like this, had they done what they probably should have, should be looking at 2 to 20 in the penitentiary, where typically on a case like that, if you're found guilty, you're looking at, I don't know, 12 years. That's where they start out at on second-degree felonies. That is what you should be facing, Ms. Fleischer. I don't know why you're with me, but that's what you should be facing in this case now. Where was this? Was this in a mall?
At the mall, and it was particularly a Sephora.
Which was it? Galleria? Was it Deerbrook Mall? Baybrook Mall?
Memorial City, so I don't.
You said, what was it?
Memorial City.
Memorial City. Okay. I'm now prohibiting from you to going to Memorial City Mall whatsoever, from going to any Sephora whatsoever. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm now also going to look at all the theft cases that you have here, and I'm forbidding you from going to any of those stores as well. If I find that you do, I'm going to put you in jail and I'm going to make your bond extremely high. Do you understand, Ms. Fleischer?
Yes, sir.
I will do everything in my power to protect the public. What do you do for a living, ma'am?
Right now, I'm trying to go work for the city of Houston. I'm trying to get a job.
So you don't even have a job. I am now making that a condition of your bond that you get a
They broke my
full-time
leg,
job.
sir. When this incident happened, they broke my leg, so my leg is injured.
I'm making it a condition of your bond that you get a job.
Yes, sir.
And I'm going to bring you back here in 2 weeks. And I want to see what you have done to get a job. And if you've done nothing, life is not going to go well to you and myself. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
There are plenty of jobs that you can find where you don't have to use your legs, but it's upon you to find a job. I am also making it a condition of your bond that you're not to use any alcohol or illegal drugs. Do you understand?
Yes, sir, but,
This is not a negotiation, man. All I'm asking you to do is do what you should be doing in the real world anyways, working and making money so that this doesn't happen.
yes, sir.
I will have you fill out an application. Let me see if I have one already. I'm going to have you fill out an application for an appointed lawyer. And I'm going to tell you now that you're walking on extremely thin ice. And if you continue to act like a child, then I'm going to put you over on me and I'm going to spank you like a little child, but it's going to be with a ton of jail time. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Please. I will have you sign a reset with Victoria, and then we will have you take a seat in the jury box, ma'am. Guys, can you file conditions on? No, you know what? Don't worry about it, because I'm going to have her monitored with Rachel. Don't worry about it. We'll have to talk because I want to do a deep dive on all the theft cases. So